Bullies in the schoolyard, everyone can see. The bullies we just let them be. They're just too powerful and they make us feel so good by hurting the same people that we would if we could. We see evil and let it in. Our neighbor sleeps on cardboard in the freezing rain tonight. We step around him carefully. A thousand people passing by with pity on that poor old bum. Indifference is the coldest sin. We see evil let it in. The factory dumps its poison, the river so clean and clear. Fish float belly up, but nobody wants to interfere. Profits over life itself, the balance sheet looks great. Our indifference fed their greed, and indifference is the coldest sin. We see traveling together on planet Earth. On our spaceship through the stars. We pretend we don't need to help others because their problems are not really ours. Indifference is the coldest. We see evil and let it in. That's where all the bullies in the schoolyard, everyone can see. The bullies we just let them be. They're just too powerful and they make us feel so good by hurting the same people that we would if we could. Indifference is the coldest. See evil and let it in. Our neighbor sleeps on cardboard in the freezing rain tonight. We step around him carefully and keep our shut tight. A thousand people passing by with pity on that poor old bum. Indifference is the silence. Indifference is the coldest sin. We see evil. The factory dumps its poison in the river so clean and clear. Fish float belly up, but nobody wants to interfere. Profits over life itself, the balance sheet looks great. Our indifference fed their greed, and the fish we just ate. Indifference is the cold. Indifference is the coldest sin. That's where all the trouble everyone can see, but the bullies we elected they're just too powerful, and they make us feel so good by hurting the same people. Indifference is the coldest sin. Our neighbor sleeps on cardboard in the freezing rain. Step around him carefully and keep our eyes shut tight. 1,000 people passing by with pity on that poor old boy. Difference is the silence when we see what we could become. Indifference is the cold. We see evil and let it in. The factory dumps its poison. So clean and clear. The fish float belly up, but no. Profits over life itself. The balance sheet looks great. Our indifference fed their indifference is the coldest sin. We see traveling together on planet Earth. Our spaceship through the stars. We pretend we don't need to help others, because their problems are not really ours. Indifference is the coldest. We see and let it in. That's where all the trouble. Golden light is settling in. My feet on quiet land. The wind speaks low. Really last. Every step feels slow and true. I was carrying too much weight. Now I lay it down. Too late to hesitate. Let it fade, let it go. Like a river moving slow. Every worry learns to fly when I breathe into the sky. I don't need another sign. This moment says I'm fine. I'm alive, I'm here today. That is more than enough to stay. Ooh. are dancing without fear. They don't rush the time of year. Sun and shadow share the ground. Nothing lost that won't be found. All the noise falls out of frame when I stop calling every breath a race. Let it fade, let it go, like a river moving slow. Every worry learns to fly when I breathe into the sky. I don't need another sign. This moment says I'm fine, I'm alive, I'm here today. That is more than enough to stay. No tomorrow in my hands, no yesterday to undo.